Why does my toilet keep making gurgling sounds?
Hello everyone! Today, we are going to uncover the reason behind a common household issue: gurgling sounds coming from your toilet. This strange noise can be quite a puzzle, but it's usually a sign that something's not right. So let's dive in and find out what might be causing this unsettling sound.
What causes a toilet to gurgle?
The most common reason for a gurgling toilet is blocked plumbing or venting. This occurs when air is trapped in the plumbing and tries to find a way to escape, causing the gurgling sound. The blockage could be due to a variety of reasons, such as accumulated waste, a foreign object in the plumbing, or buildup of sediment.
Why should I be concerned?
A gurgling sound may seem like a minor annoyance, but it's often a warning signal of a bigger underlying problem. If left unchecked, it can lead to serious plumbing issues, such as backflow of wastewater into the house or even a complete blockage of your sewer line. Therefore, it's important to address this issue as soon as possible to prevent more severe and costly damages.
What can I do about it?
Firstly, try simple home remedies like using a plunger to dislodge potential blockages in your toilet bowl. If that doesn't help, you may use a plumber's snake to clear any obstruction further in the plumbing. However, if the gurgling continues, this could indicate a problem with the venting system. Venting issues are a bit more complicated to handle and usually require professional assistance. Therefore, if the problem persists, it's best to consult with a professional plumber. So there you have it, folks. The mystery behind your toilet's gurgling sounds unraveled. Remember, it's crucial to address these gurgling noises promptly to prevent serious plumbing issues down the line. I hope this video has been helpful in providing a basic understanding of why your toilet might be making these odd sounds. Don't hesitate to reach out to a professional if the problem persists. Stay tuned for more handy household tips, and until next time, take care.